Hello guys, what's up? All good? I hope so. Today, today is our class 37. Already, yes. We are already in our class 37, okay. And now we have the academic words and the word study, okay? So, I'm going to read with you guys the student's book. Then we're going to the workbook, okay? Don't worry, it's all very simple and it's going to be very, very fun. I hope so, okay? I'll see you soon. I'll be right back to talk to you again.
Okay, guys, very good. Now that you guys are with your student book and your workbook, because I had just told you that we are gonna use the student book and the workbook, right? You just saw me. Now we can begin our class. This is class 37, academic word plus word study. Yes, we are going to do 2 pages with each one, okay? Don't worry, it's easy, I'm sure. Let's begin, okay? Academic words, page 88. Open your books, page 88. I'm gonna read it, okay? So, the academic words, you know that the academic words, they are more abstract than the keywords. The keywords we can usually translate to something, but the academic words we need to understand the meaning, okay? The use of that word. So, the academic words today are a fact. It's to produce a change, of course. For example, when something happens, you make a mistake, and then it cause an effect. What's that? You know now, after that mistake, how to do that thing in a different way or to get different results, right? Good. And the other word is attitude. Attitude is a way of thinking. Attitude we can use as how we do things, how we think things. For example, what do you think about I don't know, like the planet Earth? Your attitude towards, em direção, né? Your attitude acerca de, towards, your attitude towards the planet Earth is your way of thinking. Okay? Good? Easy? Really nice. Good. Now I'm gonna read the words in context. Okay? Let's do this. The weather did not affect our trip. Okay? The weather did not affect our trip. The weather did not change our trip. We were going no matter what. Even though this class is difficult, we like it. We have a positive attitude about this class. We have a positive way of thinking about this class. Understand? Really? I hope so. Let's do. So, now that we know the words in context, okay, we understand the meaning of each word, we're gonna do the practice, okay? I'm gonna read the practice and then I'm gonna give you guys time to answer and I'm gonna give you guys the answers, okay? So, the practice. Write the sentence in your notebook. Choose an academic word to complete each sentence. You don't need to write the sentence in your notebook. you can write the right words right here in this blank space, okay? So the first one, number one, even when he loses, he doesn't get angry. He has a positive da 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 about sports. Number two, don't look directly at the sun. It will da 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 your eyes badly. Now you can answer. This is a very easy one, okay? Answer it and I'll be right back with the answers. Okay, guys, very good. Now the answers. Here it is, the answer. So, number one, attitude. Okay, he has a positive attitude about sports. And number two, it will affect your eyes badly. Easy, right? Very, very easy. The apply part, don't worry, this is going to be your homework. I will explain to you now. These apply, you have to ask and answer with a partner. So, my idea is you guys are going to answer these. You can answer these questions in your notebook, and then when you're gonna record, because this is a recording class, yes, you have to practice, you have to try to speak these words, okay? So, the apply, we're gonna ask and answer. If you have someone to help you, someone can ask you and you just give the answers. All of that, you record it, okay? But if you don't have anyone to do it with you, no problem. You are going to record the question, you're gonna make the question and also record the answer, okay? Do it for number one and two. This is your homework. You have to record this dialogue here and send me the video, okay? Good. Now let's continue. Word study. Just change the page, okay? The word study. Again, I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna explain it, okay? And then we're not gonna really do the practice because this is very intuitive. This is more like something you already know. We just need to understand it a little bit better, okay? So the word study today, it's about the prefixes and the suffixes. What is that? You might ask, but it's the same as in Portuguese. Prefixos e sufixos, ok? So, a prefix is a word part, só pedacinho, né? It's a word part added to the beginning of a word. So, prefixes are always in the beginning of the word, ok? Always. A suffix is a word part, again, é só pedacinho, né? É só uma pequena parte, tá bom? A suffix is a word part added to the end of a word. Então, the suffix is always in the end of the word, okay? And now here comes the rule. The rule is look for this pattern in English. When you add a prefix or a suffix to a word, it changes the word's meaning. Quando a gente adiciona tanto prefixo quanto sufixo, sempre que a gente acrescenta tanto prefixo quanto sufixo, a gente está mudando o sentido daquela palavra, tá bom? It changes the word's meaning. For example, the prefix this the prefix this, ok? É escrito D-I-S, ok? The prefix this means not. Então, quando a gente adiciona o this, a gente está negando, ok? Means not. So, disagree means not agree. Agree é concordar, né? Se a gente está disagree, significa que a gente está não acordando? Também, but em português seria discordando, né? Ok? Very good. So, o prefix this means not. The suffix less, pay attention. Prefix this and suffix less. Prefix beginning of a word, suffix end of a word. Okay? The suffix less means without. Não é a mesma coisa. Quando a gente coloca o less no final da palavra, a gente não está dizendo que not, a gente não está dizendo não, a gente está dizendo que é sem, tá bom? Então, por exemplo, so the word restless means without rest. Não é sem rest, né? Como seria o not rest. É o without, tá bom? Então vamos lá. So restless means without rest. Okay? Here I have some words for us to practice. Okay? The word speech significa fala, ok? Speech. Como a gente acrescentou o sufixo less, speechless, essa pessoa está without speech. This person is speechless. It means that the person has nothing to say. The person is speechless. Okay? Understand? Good. Now, the word here is sleep. Estão vendo? Sleep. Ok? Sleep significa dormir, né? If we say sleepless, significa que a pessoa está without sleep, ela está sem dormir, ok? Without sleep. Disconnect, is a prefix, ok? This here, this, ok? So, disconnect. Connect means conectado, né? Conectar. Disconnect means not connected, okay? And then the word disordered. This is a prefix again, and order, you understand, it's ordem, right? So disordered, it means que está fora de ordem, que without order, está sem ordem, está fora de ordem, ok? Então, speechless, sleepless, disconnect, and disorder. Okay? Understand? Can you do these word study exercises? I hope so. Don't worry, we're not gonna do the practice, okay? Just so you to understand. Here is another example. The sun is disappearing behind the clouds. Disappearing is not. So the sun is not appearing. The sun is not appearing. Okay? Number 2. My sister and I disagree. This means not agree. My sister and I not agree. Okay? My sister and I don't agree. The sun is disappearing. The sun is not appearing. Okay? Good. Number 3. Mr. Ashton dislikes loud music. Mr. Ashton dislikes. Mr. Ashton don't like loud music. Don't like because we can't say without like. No. The idea is this verb like has to have the auxiliary verb don't. Okay. Number 4. At first, the north wind is faultless. Okay. At first, the north wind is faultless. Thought é pensamento, é pensar, and less is without. So, at first, the north wind is without thought, is not thinking. Okay? Number 5. It's a beautiful cloudless day. Cloud means nuvem, right? So, it's a beautiful cloudless day. It's a beautiful day without clouds. Okay? Easy, right? Very good. Now, we're gonna do the academic words. But this is your workbook, so please open your workbooks. Workbooks, page 52 and 53. Workbook pages 52 and 53. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna give you guys some time to answer, and then I'll give you the answers. Okay, academic words. Read each clue. Find the academic word in the row of letters, then circle the word. Number 1. Produce a change. Number 2, way of thinking. You have to find in this scrambled word here the meaning, the word that means this and the word that means this. Okay? B. Read each sentence, write true or false. 3. A positive attitude is important. 4. A teacher likes a student with a bad attitude. The sun can affect the growth of a plant. 6. Studying can affect your grades. Studying can affect your grades. Okay? And letter C. Answer the questions. 7. What are 2 ways to have a good attitude in class? 8. How does a rainy day affect you? Number 7 and 8, they are personal, okay? Don't worry. We don't have a specific answer for it, but I just want you to do it because in the end, you're gonna look at and try to understand what each question means. Okay, go do it. Okay guys, very good. If you haven't finished yet, don't worry, you got time. You just need to stop the video. Okay, nice. Now I'm gonna give you guys the answers. Okay, pay attention. Good. So here is the word affect, and here is the word attitude. Okay, number 3, true. Number 4, false. Of course, it's false. No teacher likes a student with a bad attitude. Come on, of course, that's false. Number 5, true. Number 6, true. 7 and 8, they are personal, just like I said. Okay? So, you don't need, if you haven't finished yet, don't worry. You can copy from this. I'm going to give you a little time. Okay, guys, very good. Now we finished the academic words on workbook page 52. We're going to the word study on page 53, okay? So the word study page 53, I'm going to read it and then I want to give you guys time to answer it, okay? Word study. The prefix this means not. The suffix less means without. Letter A. Write the word that best completes each sentence. Here we have the words careless, dishonest, dislike, and fearless. The word careless, okay? Care means cuidado, né? Dishonest, honest means honesto, honestidade. Dislike, but like significa gostar, of course. And fearless, fear significa medo. Então, quem é fearless? Without medo, okay? Number 1. My dad is not afraid of anything. He is da 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 da. 2. It is da 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 to tell a lie. 3. The boys are scared of spiders. They da 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 them a lot. You do not take care of your pet. You are da 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 da. Okay? B. Match each word with its definition. Write the letter of the correct answer. Here on these spaces, you have to write the letter that has the meaning, the definition of these words here. Okay? So, 5, disagree. 6, hopeless. 7, disobey. 8, thoughtless. 9, painless. 10, distrust. And here we have the definition. Okay? Now I'm gonna give you guys time to answer. Go! Okay, guys, very good. Now I'm gonna give you the answers, okay? So, number 1, fearless. 2, dishonest. 3, dislike. 4, careless, okay? Number 5, letter C. 6, D. 7, B. 8, E. 9, F. 10, A. Okay? I'm gonna give you guys time to copy if you haven't done it yet. Go. Okay, guys, I know it's short time, but you can do this, okay? Now, I'll be right back to talk to you about the activity that you have to send me. But you already know, right? You have to do the apply on the academic word, okay? The academic word page, and then you're gonna record that dialogue and send me through Clip Scholar. But I'll be right back to talk to you again.
Okay, guys, very good. Now that we read the student books, we did the practice, okay, and we also did the workbook page. Very, very nice, guys. Now you're gonna record, okay, you're gonna record the dialogue in the apply. The apply part is in the academic words, okay, so you're gonna record that. You can, of course, you can write the answers first. So when you record, you just read the answers, okay? But someone have to ask you the questions and then you answer with your answers, okay? Good? Very easy? I hope so. Be good, be safe, stay at home. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.